All right, thank you both. Thank all of you. Great information there. Speaking of information, take a look at this list of remnant tropical system rainfall in Indianapolis. I want to say thanks to National Weather Service here in Indy for providing this list. And I show you this because it can be key to summertime rain. For example, had 3 systems during the summer of 2005 that brought over 6 inches of rain. Without them, it would have been the driest summer on record here in central Indiana. And we had one earlier this summer. I show you that because Francine is going to join this list in some areas, not all. It is still just about to come on shore here. The eye wall, the northern eye wall, northeastern eye wall now is on shore, and the center of circulation is getting very close. You can see New Orleans getting hit with these bands, and as that system comes on shore, the tornado threat increases in these bands as well. And not much deviation in the track compared to yesterday. We still want to highlight the southwestern corner of the state for the most likelihood of getting into some of these heavier bands of rain and some rumbles of thunder as we move forward. And you can see, and we talked about this yesterday, a very sharp cutoff where some areas will get just a few raindrops, and within about 10 or 15 miles, you could get into ½ to 1 inch rain totals. Now, exactly where that's going to be is still to be determined, and it very well could be falling right over the metro area, which is why we say that zone is where we have the least confidence, and it's the trickiest portion of our forecast. You go northeast, you're not getting much at all. Southwest, best shots there for an inch plus of rain. We need some rain across the southern, well, we need rain everywhere, but we're getting burn bands over southern counties already, and we'll likely see an expansion of this as we move forward here. So let's talk about this evening. Fever back in action at the field house. If you're heading downtown, it's going to be hot, almost 90 degrees across central Indiana right now. It's a dry heat because it's not very humid. 61 tomorrow morning, early at 8 o'clock. Once again, we're back up close to 90 tomorrow afternoon, an increase of mid and high level cloud cover, but a dry day. 7-day forecast now will go from showers and rumbles of thunder around the area on Friday. And then as we go into Saturday and Sunday, temperatures will start peaking out into the middle 80s here. So let's get an update on the roadways here with Matt Standridge.
Hey, Sean, no active accidents right now. That's the good news. The little blue icon you see towards the top, this is just some congested traffic. It's busy there on 465 as you're headed eastbound towards Castleton right now. Delays about 20 minutes in those eastbound lanes as you're going from the Carmel area towards Fishers. Here's what it looks like right now as you're looking from Keystone and you look off towards the east. It's a slow go making your way eastbound. Otherwise, a little bit hazy out there. Sean's been tracking some of the wildfire smoke that's sitting over us. That's why it still looks gray. Then a little bit farther westbound. This is I-465 looking west to Michigan Road. We're moving, but it is a little bit full. We'll have more updates on traffic here in just a little bit, but so far things are moving, but we are starting to get a little bit more congestion on the north side, and then we'll also take a closer look right towards downtown Indianapolis where it's getting a little bit slow. We'll have that update for you in about 10 minutes.
All right, we'll see you then. Thank you, Matt.